In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so your invoices calculate taxes correctly and your reports stay aligned with local rules. Start by opening the Taxes section from the left navigation panel, which acts as the main hub for configuring and reviewing all tax settings. The first important step is entering your accurate business address because QuickBooks uses this location to determine the appropriate jurisdictions and default rates, so double-check city, state, and postal code before moving forward. Next, review and select the relevant tax agencies such as state, county, or city authorities and confirm the combined rates displayed match official guidance to avoid miscalculations later. After saving the setup, you can apply sales tax directly on invoices by selecting the correct rate from the tax drop-down while marking non-taxable items properly so customers are only charged where required. A quick review of each invoice before sending helps prevent compliance errors and unnecessary adjustments later. Subscribe for simple tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.